Alright guys, so here we go. I have the new shift knob for the 2015 WRX. I don't have my knife on me. But that works. It's from Blox. I actually got this on eBay for a little bit less than it was advertised for. This is weighted at 489 grams. This is the packaging here. Gonna open it up. Ooh, shift knob. $5. Got a little coupon in there. Have this sticker. It's gonna go nowhere. And the actual knob is it's pretty heavy. That feels really good. So the shift knob has the 1 through 6 and reverse. Just blocks on the side. It is a gunmetal stainless steel. And it comes with a nut here. And that's it. That's all that comes in the box. Oh, twist this off. Boom. Get the new knob.
It's so difficult.
Twist that thing on. And this is gonna make me crazy. It's upside down. So, might have to throw a washer on here just to make it so it's straight. That's it. And this is paired with the, I already have the Perrin shift stop in there. My other car had a short shifter. I mean, it took everything apart. In this car, I'm not trying to get too crazy, honestly. So, feels a little bit better. It's not crazy improvement, but it does feel a little bit smoother going into gear, especially paired with the Perrin shift stop. So, not a bad investment. It's only 36 bucks. And there you go, that's it. It comes with this little nut. That's because, see how before this was coming up upside down? So what you do is you screw this on, have it so it's not all the way at the end, and then you're just going to tighten this, and then you'll basically line it up. I mean, not too big of an eyesore, it kind of blends in, but that's kind of going to piss me off. But for the price, you can't beat it, honestly. For the amount of grams that this thing weighs, it does feel a lot smoother, honestly, shifting. It sits a little bit higher than I would like, but it's still comfortable, just like OEM. So yeah, for 40 bucks, basically, that was the price. You're gonna go online on another website and buy a shift knob for $150, which is the biggest waste of money in the world. In my opinion, honestly, you're gonna spend $150 for a shift knob that barely does anything when you can spend $40 on this Blox knob and get the same performance. And like I said, it's not barely anything. It does feel smoother, but I'm sure you guys understand. $150 versus $40 is a night and day difference. So I would get this. I do recommend this. This was on eBay, like I said, for about 40 bucks. And yeah, good investment to pair along with the Perrin shift stop.